My fucking stomach hurts.
I have to cut out all that silence.
This is gonna be a lot of cutting. You gotta cut right here of me winning.
Do you gotta go to the restroom? Is that it?
I just gotta deal with it. You're impatient,
but I could do it. Look at that, impatient, but amazing. Let's go.
Whoa!
Oh
no! Yes! Well, please tell me there was nothing on there.
We have to check.
Yeah.
It's your fault. You died. All right. Well, you can do it.
I can do it.
Oh no! I don't think there's anything up there. I literally just looked. Oh, look at that. You just went up there for nothing because I saw there's nothing up there. See?
I want to get that. I want to get that. Oh. Did you get it?
No.
It's gone.
Are we supposed to get those?
Yeah.
Thing? For what?
He said I could not cure my depression if I can.
Unless I have those glowing rings.
Hexagon rings. Platform 4.
Things our future.
Oh,
Geez. When I was a kid.
All right.
I was
So to find a friend
just like me.
meant
I was. That as a kid. Boy, check this out. Boy, check this
Check it
out.
out.
I missed. Wow.
There it is. Oh, it's
Do it. You can do it.
No. No.
Get up on that flower, boy.
I know this sounds secret, but I just want to see a secret.
A secret. Oh, shit. Come on, boy. Parkour. Yeah. I should have waited, because I'm pretty sure there was something over there.
Right.
Wow, let's go.
That's why we get those.
Do we?
Yeah, I think
Shit.
so. Ah, gosh. Dude, you suck at everything.
Oh, shit.
This is why I have dreams that you don't.
I do have dreams sometimes.
This doesn't say mating dreams, this says Abel's dreams.
Abel is sleeping.
LED. A toy I bought
LED.
from
Yeah.
From the moment she took it out of the box.
That's it.
Oh, it's an elephant, and the D stands for dick. Look at him.
I'm a teapot. Upside down teapot.
I'm gonna call you Dumbo. That's what the D stands for.
Ellie dumbass.
Ellie dumbass.
Back at
The studio.
This is
47.
where we used to
4
work.
keeps coming up. Okay. So very nice.
Does it really?
Yeah, 4 like platform 4, 741, 444 at Wendy's.
I wish she would stay. I need to talk to her.
You should have stayed.
Yeah, you're the one that fucking
If
left.
only we could talk. We're just like looking at it, like,
Like, you dumb motherfucker.
It's like, if only you guys would listen to me. And we're like,
I'm like, what was I?
And I'm like, oh, you're so lovely. I think,
Fuck you! You're never listening to me! Oh, shit.
oh, damn it, we could have done like System of a Down while he's playing the drums. Shut up!
This is one of those things where you play it backwards and you hear the devil. He's like, give me your music.
There you go. Kiss me.
Oh, it's kind of like the what is it? You know how the Beatles?
Dude!
What?
Look, is that an Easter egg? It's a little bear.
Okay.
Okay.
It was too
See,
what?
look, 4 again. 4.
Oh shit! You might be getting somewhere. With
Maybe
that
because
4.
it's Little Big Planet 4 in a way.
They hate Little Big Planet. They let someone else touch Little Big Planet, and I will never forgive them for that. I'm cutting that.
They're like an instant. Here, you can play the big giant kazoo.
The kazoo?
It looks like a giant. Oh, there it is. It's a keyboard.
But I did learn the
Oh, wait, check it out. I know how to play Banjo-Kazooie. So it's like, nope.
He's playing it.
Can I not play the notes? Oh, I can't play the notes.
So well.
Are we out of here? What about this?
Play the camera.
He has like his sex films. What the fuck? Reloading! Oh, we could probably see this on the wall. Or on the floor, or whatever the hell is projecting. Wait. Go back here. Switch this baby on.
Yeah,
Switch
I know. I think it's on his.
Turn it like this. Boom. Now we can see there's an
oh,
A.
there's an A in the in outside somehow.
With this.
vinyl. Maybe this will help.
I did I tell you that, like, when I got stabbed, and I kept
By
working?
what?
So I got when I was working at the electric company, we had to pick up all these, like, well, not we. It was only me. And it was in the middle of the fucking summer, and the other guy quit, so I had to do everything on my own, drive, manage warehouse, and around the summer is like it's really busy for me because I had to get all the stuff that was built at the schools. These are metal fucking bars, metal like shingles, all kinds of things that were used for the school in the sun. So I'm picking these stuff up, and the stuff was really heavy, and then my leg goes forward, and one of the metal stuff, I forgot what it was called, pigeon proofing, it's really flat, and it just like stabbed my fucking shin.
Did you bleed?
I bled, but I didn't want to. So I have a thing. So I was like, I don't want to look at it. I know I got cut, but I don't want to look at it until I go home, because or else the pain is gonna.
You know, you could have gotten like fucking
infected.
No, what I'm saying, like, well, yes, that, but you know, you could have gotten like fucking on the job pay, you know, for being hurt. You could have been home and then
could have, but this was years ago where that stuff like that didn't exist.
Shut the fuck up. Why didn't you tell your boss? He would have sent you home and had sent you with pay.
He probably could have. And it's funny because when I finally like was done, I wanted to see it, so I pulled my pants, but my pants was stuck to my leg.
Your pants clogged your bleeding leg.
Yeah, so it's like, and it's funny because that was the day when I went to pick you up, and you're like, my legs hurt. And I'm like, from what? For sleeping on the rock. And I'm like, I got stabbed. It wasn't completely. I'm trying to tell the stories of I also feel pain.
I am human too.
Oh look, it's the Beatles, and it's the Muse, and oh shit, it's a fucking how am I forgetting his name? Louis
Armstrong?
Armstrong. I was gonna say Louis C.K. but it's gonna be a lot of like. No,
you're gonna say Louis C.K. who's gonna jizz on you. Power? Oh, so.
Put that on there. Gently. My vinyls.
Oh wait, are we supposed to grab a vinyl and put it on there?
Oh, probably.
Wait, let's see.
No way.
No way.
No way. I already looked at this. Come on.
Okay, so do we have to do one by one? Because I don't want to do it. It's probably the last one.
Oh, it probably is. Come on. Come on.
No.
We get it. You comment on every
Dude, you can fucking do it yourself. We're little
there you
imps. Oh, that's the one. Thank you, lazy fox.
You stupid imagination.
Damn, look at his arm.
A long ass arm. Did I tell you that I can grow my arm about 3 feet wide?
I'll be the vinyl player. Oh my darling, oh my darling.
It's like sparking and shit. It's making me sad.
Oh, speed it up. You do it yourself, you fucking asshole. Your imps are like helping you, and you're still in the dick.
He's like,
you're still in a dick. That's what I'm gonna say for everything now. Like you're yelling at me. It's like, wow, we could do better. Well, you're the one who's still being a dick.
That used to be on her shirt. Don't be in a dick right now.
I need something to play along to.
Did I not turn on the fucking...
Well, there you go. Lightning is playing with you. It's like...
I know what song you're talking about, but I can't remember.
AC/DC? Thunderstruck? 1997?
Oh, is that the guy that's like...
97?
he sounds like he gargled a bunch of fucking nails.
How dare you? I love AC/DC.
I want to imagine that's how he pitched the song to his friends, to his other bandmates.
Hey yo, look at this song!
He sounds like Toad.
This is what... Yeah, there you go. Place missing reel. That's what it was. It's just gonna flap around. Alright, now press play.
Doesn't sound right.
Oh my god, dude. You fix it! This is... Oh, I want to slap him. Slap him. I don't know how to use this kind of fucking machinery. Oh, 96!
Hold on. There you go. Got it.
That's her. What a voice. I can't hear.
I can't hear her voice, but I would assume it sounds like...
How to do it.
Need to kick it to really get this song going. Okay, Seb. Possess me. Help me bring Layla back. Feeling this? Just the fun.
I'm about to pass out.
Did you forget I had asthma? He's like, you suck, Steph. I'm never gonna let you possess me again.
Oh, we gotta open this thing.
Wait. A tambourine.
It's not a tambourine. It's a portable drum. We have macaras. Macaras. Oh, there's a missing piece.
He's like, this is my car. I'm gonna put it in defense mode.
Oh, 38. Oh, that's her name. That's her number. The business card. That's her number.
I just need my business cards. I'm just looking for my business cards.
Okay, so 9.
I'm pretty sure her phone number is more than 4 letters.
This was back in the day.
4 letters. I said 4 letters.
I did not register that until now. Ring, ring. Hello, you have reached lead. What's my name? Thunder. I just look at it. It's like, you're gonna pick that up or what?
You're gonna pick it up in the picnic basket.
It's Layla.
Layla,
Yo, what up, bitch?
it's me.
What? Hey. Where have you been?
I've been fucking horrible.
Really,
Jacking off in the bathtub alone.
I need
Been in
to
the
say
dream.
Filled it up.
I'm just glad I had a dream and a nightmare, but not a wet dream. It would have been awkward for my imps. We're just like,
time I thought I was the best. And I
Gross.
wasn't.
about me. Wasn't even close.
Just some guy who plays double bass.
I want this toothpick.
I didn't mean to walk out.
Oh,
I thought I was out in the band, but really I
Sorry,
was
what?
down myself.
what'd you say? What the fuck you look at me like that for? Oh, we gotta say what we're thinking.
Oh.
Shit, what did she ask?
Get
It's like-
better.
It's a bit,
Dark thoughts. Let her know. Dark thoughts.
you know, just keep having these thoughts that nothing will work out.
Dude, look at that 2D animation in this game. So cool.
I wanna fucking make my own.
Look, I wanted to say sorry.
Shit, what the fuck did we do?
Fucked up. That's what we did.
Right on time, I was like, dang,
The real you.
God, girl, your silhouette is.
What? Are you the elephant? Oh God, get away from me.
You're mine. Goodbye.
Fucking bitch. See, now you can't do anything.
Good.
Dude, that elephant's scary. Get the fuck away from me.
We both die. Have you tried sucking up the leaves?
Okay.
Hell yeah. That's fine.
Oh god, you're more dangerous now than ever. Get away from me, God.
It's like, I love my LED because he can play the trumpet.
Oh god, no.
Go!
I fucking hate you.
Oh, suck this.
God, you're the most useless elephant.
That's because I'm not an elephant. I'm a Roomba. There you go, boy.
I'm just afraid of being around you. He's like, please don't.
Oh, duh.
Oh god, no.
Come back, spider boy.
I can't get out. Oh god, just suck me back up.
What? What?
They show a picture of a baby?
Where?
I don't know. It was like a little picture. I think it was like indicating that it was me.
Oh, dude, I can fucking flip. I'm Dumbo.
Yeah, you literally are.
Look at the Dumbo. He's coming down. He's gonna put the fire out.
He just sucks up the fire.
Instead of grabbing the water and just pushing it out. I'll breathe in the fire.
I'll show you how good I am, mother. I'll breathe in the fire.
I'm dead.
You guys sucking those leaves? Wait, I think there's something over here.
Where, boy?
Get away from me. Good job.
My fault.
Yes, you got me. Get away.
Kill him.
Fucking
What are we supposed to do with that? I think I'm supposed to use you as a weapon.
No, you're not. Leave me alone.
Want to see my trunk?
Ew. That's like you jump in the pool and it's cold. Stop.
Okay, I can't do anything with that.
Maybe we have to shoot its ass.
Oh, probably.
Not with me.
I can't shoot anything else. Okay.
Yeah, I guess it's just like a.
Oh, use
danger.
this. Oh, yeah, maybe you just can't do anything. Oh no! Oh, my fat ass!
Oh my god! Get the fuck away!
Oh my god, you're pathetic. Me?
God damn it! I'll forget you.
You can just look behind it.
Wait, can I hurt him?
Oh, you do that, duh. Okay, do it sooner. Here, hold it.
Get away!
No, hold it. Oh, there you go. See? There you go, buddy. Save you. Oh my god, you are worthless.
Okay, so I can get out.
Okay.
Oh fucking shit!
I'll save you. God damn it, guys.
Leave him alone. We probably can't even hurt him.
That's what I was trying to tell you. It's like he's probably one of the unhurtables.
That's a new Marvel team, the Unhurtables.
Pixar comes out with a new Incredibles movie, The Unhurtables.
That's what the kids call themselves. You guys couldn't think of anything better.
Oh my god!
Come on!
I don't even want to play.
Yeah.
Oh, I can do that too! Oh, look at this! I don't even need you, boy. I don't even need you!
It's like that up. Wow.
Oh my god, okay. I don't even need that. Oh my god.
Oh my god. How do you do that?
Hold L2. I don't need those.
Okay,
I got it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout.
Fuck.
Come look at my elephant.
Did you say eat me out?
Eat me out.
Whee! Alright.
Ow, dude, watch it. Watch out.
Get away from me!
But it's beautiful.
Oh, I could do this. You can't fly for long. I thought you could.
Oh, this is like the level from Lion King.
Lion King?
The Lion King.
It's Disney. You gotta say Lion King.
I know there's a secret in the waterfall. I know it for a fact.
Where'd you go? Oh, you just floated down.
Yeah, but this is a level from like Super Nintendo. Lion King. Oh, you never played that. We should totally have you play that.
Together we...
What the fuck? I came in like a big spider, and my friend fucking killed me. There you go.
Oh, damn.
Come on, you're showing your Call of Duty skills right now.
Oh, you think you're real funny.
You don't even need that leaf.
Okay. We did it. I think did we?
Wait, you know what? We could just use the balls. I'm pretty sure there's a ball around here. Oh.
You see, motherfucker?
Oh, motherfucker.
You get that.
Got it.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Teamwork. What was this? Get away. Ooh. Is that up there? Okay. Yeah, I'm back. Goodbye. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm making it. I'm doing it.
I think there was a secret over there. And the secret's gone. No longer a secret.
Teamwork. That's what it's all about. I guess sometimes you need to be alone to realize what you really...
We did it. We found it.
We did the thing, I guess.
Bruder's heart.
now.
Like, no, you stupid elephant. No, don't eat it. He's like, this is my brain.
Hi, yeah, you got your brain back.
Oh, shit. Is Johnny Cochran.
We're coming for you, Thornbeak.
Dumb beak.
Yeah, dumb beak. That's what they call my penis.
This villain decides to just show it off. He's like, hi, your friend. Don't forget about me, motherfucker. I still got your dragon.
Foxy. Francis. Let's do this.
Francis. Oh, it's the guy. Finally, we get to kill some dudes.
Hell yeah.
Let's do this. Woo. Nice.
Oh, okay, that was part of it.
I was like, I don't know how I feel about that.
I want that electric guitar ready.
Electric guitar.
Yeah, where she plays the...
Oh, the music. Ah.
Check it out. There you go, boy.
Oh.
Go.
Bye.
What is that?
Oh, what the fuck? I don't have a body. Oh, that's
Maybe
like
it is himself.
Yeah. He's like dealing with his own demons and shit. Oh, shit. Alright. Fuck it up while it's down.
He's like, damn it. Out of all days.
Boiled again.
I've been waiting for you.
Wait, I think you're supposed to break this. No?
I broke myself.
Where are you at?
Just like in this game. He's breaking his own self.
Oh my goodness, that's so deep. Let's go.
There you go.
Bye. Orange.
Yeah.
There, come back. Check this out. No, over here. Okay. Oh, up there. So, I guess we have to go around.
Got it.
Nice. Boom. Check this out. Boom, boing. What? You can't squish them?
No.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
It's gone.
Hey, well, we gotta do this. We gotta
Alright.
jump off my head.
Yeah.
Jump off your head. Jump over our head.
Oh, we phased through. Wait.
Oh.
I was trying to see if I could somehow.
I fucked up. I fucked up. Wait.
Oh!
I can fucking do this.
Like, keep double tapping like crazy. Right there.
Come on.
Wait, bring me. Because maybe we could both. Oh!
Come on.
Bring me.
We're gonna fucking figure this shit out.
We need it. Friends.
Hey, we're dying over there.
Nice.
Whoa! Alright, let's go. Yeah. No, go ahead. Okay.
You told me to go ahead.
Haha, you thought.
No, I didn't. Alright, before I smash that like, before you guys smash that like,
subscribe.
Subscribes.
Wait, can we break those in there? Is there a reason to break those? Okay. Wait, pick me up. Get me out.
Yeah.
Yeet. Wait, stay on here.
You can't even break it. It's through a cage.
They're solid walls. Whoa.
Oh god.
I'm not equipped for this. I throw for his knees, for fuck's sake.
Oh god. It's too close.
Oh shit. Blow up that thing over there. That one, yeah. I think you're supposed to get across from it. Oh. Damn. We blew up too. Alright. Your shoes sound weird.
I'm wearing high heels.
I'm wearing low heels. Oh shit. What that? Punch it. No.
It's a record.
A record.
Just for the record, it's a record.
Oh,
we use that as a.
Ow.
Where'd you go?
I died. That shit exploded and that shit ran me over. I'm back.
Left Domo. Left Lila. Left the band. Not
You're left-handed.
they don't need.
What is this? System of a Down? Haha, buzzing! Please don't hurt me.
I'm confused. What?
You haven't heard it? It's fucking the reason why they don't get back together is because they're all talking about like financial shit and I'm not gonna do it because it's not gonna give me enough money or recognition or whatever the fuck the excuse is. And like literally the band, like the drummer, that's why he made his own band, These Great Men, because he's tired of it. Like he wants the band back together, but he's tired of that whole like them bickering over each other. Yeah. And that's why, like, I forgot, what's the other singer? Not Serge, but the other one? I can't remember for some reason. Oh, okay.
Save.
I can't remember his name, but that's why he made his own thing, and Serge made his own thing, too. So they're, like, bickering and shit. Like a bunch of old ladies.
That's so serious right now.
Come on, you silly elephant robot. You elephant.
This is kind of like the story of Little Big Planet 2. You know, like, not in a way, I would say.
What? I don't remember it.
Oh, there.
You fat ass spiders.
Damn it.
So, just jump across.
There you go.
You literally just jump across and fly.
I brought it up just in case. So I proved my
What the fuck
point.
is this? Is that a thing?
I don't know.
No.
Okay. Damn, nice save. Like, oh, you need me.
Oh, you useless elephant. No, I don't.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Stick it to the man. Stick it to the elephant. Oh.
Ew, you're a disgusting brain.
What? Figure it out. my fucking fat ass job. Use your light down here.
Oh wait, oh, we're supposed to turn this off? Is that the case? Thanks.
Oh, do your light thing right here.
Boom! Close! Eat? Oh, did you? I'm like, where did I go?